Hi, in front of me is CAVION Base 5.0 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used keyboard. Over here you need to click on Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of the colors, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. You can do the same by clicking on one of the images. When you're done, just go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!